especially the parents. As I begin, I would like to thank my family and friends for always being there and for always encouraging me to do my best. I'm grateful to my parents for always encouraging me and for always being there for everything I was involved in. I would also like to thank the faculty members for everything they have done in the past 4 years. My mentors, also our second parents, have always been encouraging yet honest to me. They always encouraged me to do my best, and at the same time were never reluctant to tell me when they know that I could do better. You parents are our first teachers. You taught us how to crawl, walk, and stand. You were the first who taught us how to read, write, and speak. You taught us how to be strong, be brave, and be confident. Your guidance, love, care, and support for us, your children, is such a big help. Because of those, you helped us be in this very special event. This commencement exercise is not only for us, but also for you. Our diploma is our way of thanking you for being with us. Reminiscing those late nights, seeing your child trying hard to finish his work, and talking to his classmates about their school activities, those hard works and struggles has reached a very special thing. Thus, we aren't the only one who deserve a big round of applause, but also you, parents and teachers. Again, thank you and congratulations to all the parents